Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Common Core, Kindergarten, Number and Operations in Base 10. Work with numbers 11 through 19 to gain foundation for place values. This is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save this video first onto your computer, then open it up with Smart Video Player. What we would like to do for you first is jump to an example lesson so you can see what is required of this video. Thank you. This first one is an example of what we are going to go over in this lesson. We're going to count to 10, then write the number. Count how many more. Write that number and trace the number made. For example, you'll notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, what we want you to do then is write the number 10, and then we're going to add 1, 2. We'll add 2 more. Then we would like for you to trace the number 12. In tracing the number 12, pick up your black pen and follow the little trace as best you can. And we are going to stay in the lines and write the number 12. So, you would have written the number 12, the number 10, and the 2. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Hopefully that makes sense. Now, if you would please, immediately have a student come up to the smartboard and we will present to you the very first problem. Thank you. Problem 1. We would like for you to count these trumpets. Count the number of trumpets you see here, then write that number right here. Count the trumpets you see here, and write that number here. When we add those two together, we should get 11. And please pick up a pen and draw the number 11. If you would, please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trumpets. So you should have written the number 10 here. How many trumpets down here? 1. So you should have written 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. And you should have traced the number 11. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard, and while they're doing that, if you would please pick up your eraser and erase your answers. Outstanding job. Okay, here we are again. Count the items you see here, and they are pumpkins. So count them and place this total here, and place a total number of pumpkins here. And we add those two together, trace the number 15. If you would, please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pumpkins, so you should have written the number 10 here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pumpkins, and you should have written the number 5 here. 10 and 5 is equal to 15, so you should have drawn the number 15. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard. And while they're doing that, if you would please erase your screen. An outstanding job. Problem 3, same as before. Please count the ducks up here and the ducks down here. Write the total for the ducks right here and the total number of ducks right here, and add those two together and trace the number 11. If you would please, pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, let's look at the ducks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You should have written the number 10 here. How many ducks here? 1. So we should have written the number 1 here. 1 duck. 10 and 1 is 11. So you draw your line here. If your answers matched ours, that is fantastic. If you would, please have another student come up to the smartboard. And while they're doing that, if you would please pick up your eraser and erase your answers. Thank you.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
Problem 4. Exactly like the one before. But who do we have here? SpongeBob. Count the number of SpongeBobs up here, place the total, count the number of SpongeBobs here, and place that total here. Then trace your number. So this number and this number equals that number. If you would, please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, let's see how many SpongeBobs we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you should have written number 10 here. And how many SpongeBobs down here? 1, 2, 3. So you should have written the number 3. 10 and 3 is equal to 13. So you should have traced the number 13. If you did, that is incredible. Amazing. Way to go. If you would please, pick up an eraser and erase your answers. And we would like to thank you for working with us today on the Common Core.